Okay, in this part, we're going to talk about sequence. Sequence comes in a different way and different methods. Some sequence are easy to do, and some of them are a little bit complicated. It is one of the easiest lesson, but all time they could trick you, and they give you tricky questions. But the most common for grade 6, a type of a sequence, is a sequence with a specific term to term rule that is added every time or subtracted each time. Like the 23, 18, 13, and 8. Like if you see every time they subtract what? They subtract 5. So if they ask you, like write the next term, immediately you subtract just 5. This will be what?
3.
This will be 3. And the one after will be
Negative.
negative
Negative 2.
2. Okay? So because it is just like subtracting 5. A sequence is start at 2, 6, 10, 14. This one, if you see, like every time they add 4. They explain the rule for this sequence. The rule for this sequence is what? It is adding 4 each time. Okay, this is the rule of this sequence. Here they ask you to find the term missing. Like if you see every time they add 100, then you add 100.
Sorry, I'll be back.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Okay, please, I want you to pay attention to this part because this questions comes a lot, and many students they don't know how to answer this question, or they don't know how to do exactly to find a way of answering this question. Okay. A question they ask you like a sequence start at 300 and 40 is subtracted each time. They say the sequence continues in the same way. What is the first number in the sequence which is less than 0? If you see this question comes a lot, they ask you many times, what is the first number less than 0? Please put in your mind one thing. If you know what is, and this is already given, what is a term-to-term rule? The term-to-term rule is what? It's subtracting 40, right?
Yes.
Okay, if you would like to know the first term after the 0, you have got two options. Option 1, it could be easy when a sequence is very small and you're going on. But if the numbers are big, it's going to be very hard. Like here we say subtract 40 every time. I know the one that comes after 180, we subtract 40 is going to be 140. Then the one after, it will be 100. Then the one after, it will be 60. Then the one after, it will be 20. And then I will say 20 minus 40 is going to be negative 20. So the answer is negative 20. But if the sequence, it has big numbers and it goes like so much. So am I going to keep going until to find the number which is less than 0? This will be a waste of time. So what is the best way to do this without keeping subtracting till I get to the number less than 0? It's easy. What is it? Just take any one of the terms, like the 300, the 260, the 220, or the 180, any one of them. And it's easy to deal with a small one, which is 180. Take the 180. This is what you want to do. Like 180 divided by what? Divided by the term-to-term rule, which is 40.
If it have remainder, it is not in the sequence.
Yes.
If it not have remainder, it is
Okay.
in the
Yes. So look at this one. Let me finish this one. Even if it has no remainder, I will teach you like how to get the first number less than 0. Okay. If this one you divide normally, long division. Don't try to do it in a calculator because sometimes it what is going to simplify. I don't want any simplification. I want 180 divided by 40. What is it equal and what's the remainder? Like I know it's equals to 4 by 160. And when I subtract, I find the remainder is 20. All what I need from this kind of questions, I need this remainder, which is 20. Then what am I going to do? I'm going just to take this remainder. Listen to me. The remainder minus the term-to-term rule. Minus what? Minus 40. And that equals what? That is equals to negative 20. So the first term less than the 0, it is negative 20. If there is no remainder, it's a 0. Then you will say what? If either remainder is 0, no remainder, which is nothing, you say it is 0 minus 40. And in that case, the first term less than the 0 will be negative 40. Are we clear?
Yes.
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 So this is how you find the term which is less
Yes.
than 0.